And there is a newly published scientific study which looks into an underreported danger of illegal drugs. The study says that drugs don't just pose a risk to human users, but they are also a danger to wildlife, specifically and especially to fish. The study was published in the journal Current Biology. It was conducted by researchers at the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences. The scientists put implants on a batch of salmon which slowly released cocaine. The drug was diffused into the fish and their exposure was at a rate that may be plausible in the wild. The fish were then released into a lake to see the results. The researchers found that salmon that was exposed to even low levels of cocaine behaved differently from those in a controlled group. The cocaine-affected fish were more active. They swam an average of 5 kilometers more than the control group. And they also ventured into parts of the lake unfamiliar to them. The researchers concluded that cocaine exposure led to the salmon needing more energy because they ended up swimming more. The fish also seemed to have a lesser sense of danger. The researchers say that they could make them more vulnerable to predators. Now, the effects of the cocaine were apparent, but the researchers found that an even greater danger was posed by the metabolic byproducts of cocaine. When humans consume cocaine, the body breaks it down into smaller chemicals. These metabolic byproducts are then released by humans as waste. The researchers say that this waste containing drug byproducts can affect fish more than just the drugs. Therefore, it's less of a concern if people are just throwing illegal drugs into natural water bodies. More alarming is when untreated sewage from drug users enters lakes and streams, and this has the potential to adversely impact wildlife to a far greater degree. Reports say that existing sewage treatment facilities effectively remove drugs and drug byproducts before anything is discharged into water bodies. But the new research proves that there is also another previously unknown danger posed by untreated waste, which means more vigilance is needed regarding waste treatment, lest fish and other wildlife suffer due to human negligence.